Hi everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. First time on the channel, thank you so very much for being here. Make sure you hit on that subscribe button and also make sure you turn on the notification bell. So once we have any videos uploaded on this channel, you're one of the first persons to be notified about that. For all our loyal subscribers, thank you so very much for always being here and we do appreciate you. Here on this channel, you're able to find YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy, and that you do not want to miss any at all. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a little tick that I'm having. I do not know if there are others of you who are out there and is experiencing this from companies, but I would love to share my few cents which I have on this about these companies which are asking us as content creators for reviews of their products on our channel. So if that interests you, make sure you stick around for this entire video. On YouTube, as a content creator, in order for you to be paid, you would need to meet the minimum threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once that is met, then you are able to be monetary compensated on YouTube. Now, that is not the only way in which you're able to be paid on YouTube. You're able to be paid through affiliate marketing and also through sponsorships and reviews. Now, one of the ways in which many persons do use, they use like Amazon. For persons who would review hair or makeup and stuff like that, they would go on Amazon and they would create an affiliate link which they're able to use. Or there are other companies which would give you affiliate links and you're able to use those. Once persons purchase those items which you have in your link, then you will be getting a percentage or whatever cost they would attach to the product. This is why we always encourage content creators to leave their emails in their description, preferably a business email which only persons are able to contact you pertaining to business. This has none of your personal nor banking information linked to it. I have been having a lot of persons who reach out to me for me to do reviews for them. I have done some reviews for them, do sponsorship and stuff like that. But guys, to each his own. What you would need to do, make sure whatever information they're giving you, you read that through thoroughly so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. By this time, persons might be saying, okay, well, that is a good way in which we're able to get paid on YouTube without YouTube threshold. But at the same time, persons might be asking, what is a reasonable amount to charge? How do I know how to charge these companies which are reaching out to me? I am not able to tell you how much you're able to charge these companies. You would know how much your time and effort to create this content is worth. Also, you would know what type of product would be fitting to review on your channel, depending on where you're going with your channel. I have recently had someone reached out to me and they're asking me to review a drill for them. This drill was for persons who are in construction. It's one of those hand drills, right, with the screwdriver and stuff like that. And then they are saying they would send me the product. Yes, sending me the product, I don't have a problem because I've wanted to buy one of these for myself. But at the same time, on my channel, I talk about travel, hair, makeup, and a little fun stuff. There's one construction that you're seeing on my channel, and that was when I was assisting my uncle in painting a room upstairs. That was it. I would not review one of that on my channel. It would be up to you as the content creator to know which company you want to partner with to do a review. Another thing is, these companies, they do have a budget. We cannot be cutting ourselves short. Every company has a budget which they work with. It is up to the manager to make sure that they do cut costs wherever they can. If somebody is going to be reaching out to me, asking me to leave a review on, say, Amazon, that is just to leave a photograph and to write something, I have no problem doing that, but there's a cost attached to that. If you're going to be sending me here for me to review, there is going to be a cost attached to that. So if persons are telling you that they will send you free products, remember, you have light to pay, you have your internet bills to pay, And of course, you're going to need to eat, because if you don't eat, you won't be healthy. So you're able to be here to talk. So it all boils down to, so we all need to bear in mind when these companies reach out to us. There is this other company which reached out to me, and I must say, their information which they sent to me, it was very good. I was excited because I love these type of things. But the part which got me was where it's going to say to me, I should make the first purchase, then I am going to be getting the item free. You tell me now. You went on my channel and you saw exactly what I have to offer. Now this company sells bathing suits, and let me tell you, the swimsuits, they are very pretty. They're going to tell me that they're going to be sending me items free on a monthly basis. Swimsuits. Look at this. New, right? One, not new, 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 not new, not new, not new, not new. These are all my swimsuits that I do have. And as you realize, I have both new and used swimsuits. So now you're going to tell me I need to make an initial first purchase, and then also to say each month you're going to be sending me swimsuits for me to review and put on my channel. Listen, what I would love, and I know many of you as content creators would love, is if companies are going to be reaching out to us, for them to say, okay, this is what is going to happen. Purchase the initial swimsuit, and then we're going to give you a link. And when you do get the link, attach it to your video or to your whatever social media. And then each time someone purchases using your link, you will get a portion of it. Wouldn't that sound way better? Whether it be swimsuit, hair, makeup, whatever the case might be, wouldn't that be better, guys? Come on. Companies, you need to do better, because us as content creators, when we are doing these videos, we have to put on our makeup. Well, I don't have on any now. This is just because I'm ranting. We have to put on our makeup, our jewelry, we have to dress up, we have to make sure that our content, which we are advertising your product, looks good. Guys, content creators, we need to let them know. And if we tell them $25, $30, or $50, do not go below that. Do not try to work out anything, because they do have a budget which they are working with. So we, same way they are working with their budget, we have overhead costs that we need to take into consideration as well. So we cannot be cutting ourselves short for these companies. When we go out there and we tell them, yes, we can do it for free, we are just going out there working for free. I'm not saying anything is wrong with us working for free, but at the same time, we need to know when and where. Remember, most of us, we are doing this full time. We are doing it part time, right? So we need to remember that, yeah, especially now, yes, we need to make sure that we are collecting our funds. All right, so guys, that's basically it for this video. It's very short and spicy, and I just had to get this out there because I know there are some of you also out there and you're probably going through the same thing, and you think that, oh, I need to take it free because this, no, you don't. There are some times and some things which we need to say no to, and probably this is one of them. All right, guys, I hope this was something worthy for you all. Take care now. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, walk good, take care, don't sell yourself short. Bye.